Howdy! I just turned 18 and I got this epic studio upgrade planned. It's gonna be amazing. This was supposed to be a cool, epic looking montage. Supposed to be. But first, let's appreciate what I already got. I got this shelf with paint and all these things mounted, but a bit of jank here, you know? Because of this, I got a replacement. Perfection. This light served me long, but you gotta go. My goal with the setup will be to create an environment where it's really easy to record videos. With the last upgrades, I always pushed on the quality, but it became more and more complex to do these videos. Wait. Here. What I wanted to say was that it got harder and harder to record videos and took longer because I pushed the quality so much. But now I will reverse it and make it easy to make videos so I can pump out more and have more enjoyable content for you. My plan after this one is to hit a weekly upload schedule without me having to cramp for any videos and just painting and being able to film and commentate at the same time. I got a plan for this, but first let's get rid of this jank. This one won't be that much more stable, but it will allow me to open this closet without having anything fall down on me or such stupid things will fit. So what happened there? Is that supposed to happen? Oh. Yeah. Yep. Fixed. I got it! Woohoo! Stable now. As today is my birthday, I got a new camera, a second one, so I can film myself talking while painting a miniature here. And for this, if I can get this package out of the way, I got my famous painting stand. The camera. There's the coin. Everywhere where are cameras, come on close, there's always a coin. This is what you need the coin for. There are tools that do the same thing, but the coin is best. I got
the coin to the witcher.
We need to stop. I don't want to get copyright striked. Let me get a memory card. 256 gig. Best purchase. For a demonstration, I will take this miniature, one plate, put it in, add my light. I got a clean image from two cameras at the same time. But it's a macro lens. You know what this means? What? Close-ups, baby. But that's not even all. Come here. I got backgrounds. lots of backgrounds. The plan is to add, just like I did it in my videos before, a background, but it will be different this time. I ordered a cheese plate with lots of adapters to mount lights on top to get it even lit and being able to make a green screen work. Then there's the question, why do I need a green screen in the back of my miniatures? And the plan is to add some waves or wood or something moving back there with a sound effect to really get you in the feel of the environment of a miniature I'm painting. Sound mixing is important, but also having good speakers to hear the sound you're mixing. These ones are great for sound mixing and getting the sound effects and my voice just right. I got some stands and cables to get them at my desk setup just over there. This was the box I used for sound mixing so far. This needs to change. To mount these speakers, I got 2 of these desktop monitor mounts. I could use wall mounts or floor stands, but all of them take up so much space, and I found that these are a bit more practical to get the speakers so that I can listen to them while not having to use a giant place for it. Going down under. See you in a bit. And maybe I will need to have to add a bit of wood between it. This wobbles because I can't tighten it enough. But when I use a bit of wood, it will tighten down just nicely. Now it's much more stable. I got some foam to isolate the speaker from vibrations so it doesn't make the table all wobbly. Also, it will tilt it forward. It's hacked. Nice. I also got some acoustic foam to put behind the speakers to minimize wall reflections. But I will mount them later. First, let's get the second speaker up. Where did I put the wood? Where's the wood? I've lost my wood. Need wood. Have you seen my wood? Found it! Just on the table. Right there. Without the wood, it wouldn't be nearly as stable. Put the microphone on. Now for some sound testing. The signal is getting through, but a bit weak. Oh, I just set the wrong setting. I routed the signal to the phone's output and not the main mix, so that's why it was the crash. We've still got a lot to do, because this setup needs to be easy, maneuverable and practical. And I've got a plan. I talked about using 2 cameras, but I will be using 4. Howdy, I'm the painting guy. I now got 4 camera angles to film me. One from over there, one directly, one while me painting a miniature. And I can go closer and better. And 1/4 for the palette. I can cut in between them at any time, do whatever I want, get all recorded, and it will be great, fast, efficient, and most importantly, fun. See you next time!